begin, I'd like to say that I'm hearing impaired and I don't speak German language very well. So the name of the dances on some of them is hard for me to get the right pronunciation. So I'm going to have somebody for this particular dance tell you guys what's the name of this dance. So Chris, can you get on the microphone?
Sieben-Tritt.
Yeah. How many of you know this?
All right.
So we have a lot that don't know this, so that's good. So I'm going to start here. And everybody moving in the line, forward line of direction. And we are going to move forward in a leisurely motion, starting with the men left foot and the women right. And we are going to take 7 foot steps forward. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. The foot that you stamp with, you're going to go backwards with that foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. From there, we are going away from our partner. And we are going to do a Schottish variation. And as we go away, 1, 2, 3, lift, back to the partner, lift. But as you come back from the partner, you're getting ready to dance 4-step lift together. Step, 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 step. And we go away again. 1, 2, 3, lift, back, 2, 3, together. And then we move forward, starting all over again. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 7. And together. And 1, 2, 3, lift, back, 3, together. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Away, back, together. One more time, away, then back, together. All right.
Any questions?
Wow, maybe you should be behind me.
Let's form a nice circle. All of a sudden we have a half a circle.
Yes. Full circle, space out. Full circle.
All right, baby.
We can work on big circle now.
Okay, we're ready, Chris. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.